If you're facing verification issues on YouTube due to multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your YouTube account is in good standing. Log into your account and check for any notifications or warnings that might indicate issues with your account. Step 2. Review verification requirements. Visit the YouTube Help Center to understand the specific requirements for account verification. Make sure you meet all the criteria, such as having a verified phone number and complying with community guidelines. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, browser issues can affect the verification process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try the verification process again. Step 4. Use a different device or browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try using a different device or browser to attempt the verification. This can help bypass any device-specific issues that may be causing the problem. Step 5. Contact YouTube support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on YouTube. Good luck!